It is raining outside and I am preparing my meal. Just going to reheat that. It is now 12:40. I am day off today, but I have a lot of things to do in the computer. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, this is my breakfast. And yeah, I have a sore throat and a little bit not feeling very good. Yeah. And yeah, I'm on day off, but I can't go anywhere because the weather outside is really not the best. Yeah, this morning it was sunny and now it's again like this. Like it is going to rain. Oh, this is spaghetti. This is the last from Carlota and Dale. Yeah, the one that I made 3 days ago. And it's still delicious. Actually, I finished the pasta and then I just cooked this pasta. But the sauce is the one from Dale. I'm going to wash it later. Look at this. Yeah, this is the spit of the oil, of the frying oil. It's been 4 days. And I'm going to take a shower now, but I'm not going to make it wet. I will cover it with something. And this is my lunch. Again, this tuna is coming from Dale and Carlota. Thank you again. I feel like they feed me. Yeah, the whole week. It is now 3:40. And yeah, I'm just going outside to have my coffee. Yeah, just to satisfy my day off. Where's my coffee? Oh, here. Yeah, because yesterday I was day off and I didn't go out. Also today because it was a little bit raining from time to time. And I have a sore throat also. But I'm still going out. Just to see the people outside while on the car. Oh, look at this car. It's very long. Yeah, nice. And this is how it is here at the moment. Beautiful. If you actually get down there, you're going to see the sunset from that side. And I will be just here to have my coffee. Good morning guys. Yeah, I'm going to work now. It's already 12:35, but my duty today is still at 2 o'clock. And I am now here in the shop, Salamander Bay Shopping Center. I'm going to withdraw cash from Inigo. Inigo transfer money to me, and then he asked me to pay it to Chef Matt. Yeah, for the house rent. I don't know why he don't just transfer it to Chef Matt. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty. Today I start at 6 and I finished just now. Yeah, 2 o'clock. And yeah, we are going first to the grocery before going home, because I don't have much food in the house. And look at that, there are many people here. They're like a group of family friends. Yeah, nice. They are playing with the adults and the kids together football. It is sunny today, but yeah, it is actually very windy outside. Yeah, those family that are playing, they don't feel cold because they are doing something. They are active. But if you are just standing by somewhere, for sure you're going to feel cold. Oh, there are free cabinet and tables. And yesterday I received my credit card statement, and I succeed of not spending money. Yeah, well, how much I need to pay is just about $300. But in the previous months, it was over $1,000. Yeah, and because of that, yeah, if you remember, in the previous months I was not eating in I don't eat in the restaurant. I don't buy coffee in the shop, in the restaurant. Yeah, and so today I'm going to eat Thai food in Salamander Bay. This is going to be the very first time that I am going to eat in the restaurant. Oh, they still have the advertisement of McCrispy chicken in McDonald's. And for sure the name of the owner of this car is Sam. Yeah, you can see it on the plate number. Here in Australia, you can personalize your plate number, but it costs $400 something a year. Yeah, I don't want my name to be on the plate number, but I want to personalize, but not my name, maybe something else. And yeah, I feel that it's expensive, so I'm not going to do that. Yeah, those two, they are Pilo Filipina. I heard them talking. And this is what I'm going to eat. My favorite pork and yeah, and rice. It is delicious. Okay, just finished eating, but yeah, I'm really full. It is not good, because I believe that when it comes to food, you don't really need to be full. You just need to be satisfied. Because if you become really full, you're not going to feel comfortable. Just like at the moment, I feel uncomfortable that I need to take a rest first before going to shopping. And yeah, like what I've said, so this month, in the coming weeks, I'm going to pay that $300 plus, divided into 4 weeks. Yes, it's maybe just 150 or 100 something every week, because the salary here in Australia is every week. So every salary I need to pay that credit card. The good thing here in Australia is the salary is every week. So every week you can pay. And the bank statement, the credit card statement is monthly. Yeah, that's why it's easy to pay. But in some other countries, like in Dubai, the salary is every month. So it's difficult. And in the Philippines, the salary is every 15th. and every 30 or end of the month. Okay, that's it. We are gonna go into the grocery. Oh, look at this notice board. Yeah, they are selling a lot of things. Keyboard, gazebo, mirror, golf club, yeah, inverter. And do you know that this is where I found, yeah, the advertisement of the house where I am living now. Yeah, I just called the number, and until now I am living there in the same house. And what changed is the owner of the house. And it is cold even here inside. Maybe because I am wearing short. I like the kind of store like this. They have everything, unexpected things, which is really entertaining to look.